Hi there, this is English teacher Linda G. And today we are talking about conducting successful sales calls. Welcome. Sales calls are vital for building and maintaining strong client relationships. They're an essential part of business success. So let's dive into some tips for conducting successful sales calls that will help you engage clients effectively and close more deals. You want to start with a friendly intro. For example, hi, this is Linda G. Robert from Speak English with More Confidence. How are you today? I'm excited to talk about how we can support your business needs. Then you want to identify the client's needs. Can you share some of the challenges your team is currently facing? Understanding these will help us tailor our solutions to better fit your needs. And then you want to present the solutions. For example, based on what you've shared, our lessons and programs can help by preparing your managers to run effective meetings and presentations. You also want to be ready to handle objections. I understand your concerns about the cost. Let me explain how our solution can actually save you money in the long run. Now, it's going to help you save money in the long run by improving the language skills of your team and by reducing errors as well. So here's a practical example, and this is in a sales call. Hello, I'm Linda G. Robert from Speak English with More Confidence Now. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. So let's discuss how we can work together, how we can support your business needs. What are some of the biggest challenges that your team is facing with spoken English at this time? Are there specific situations like meetings or presentations, for example, where they need more support? Perhaps on phone calls, for example, perhaps on Teams meetings or Zoom calls, for example. Our business English program focuses on improving speaking skills. We tailor sessions to help your team communicate effectively and confidently in meetings, give effective presentations, and handle objections as well. They'll also learn how to handle everyday business conversations, which can improve productivity and collaboration. I understand your concerns about the cost. Many clients have found that improved speaking skills lead to more sales in the long run. They also lead to clearer communication, better teamwork, and stronger client relationships, which leads to more sales. Let me share a case study showing the positive impact that our program has had on another team. So this gives you an idea of what it could sound like. See if you can hear some of the key phrases in what I've just shared with you. Effective sales calls require active listening, empathy, and clear communication. And by focusing on understanding the client's needs and presenting tailored solutions, you can build stronger relationships and, of course, close more sales. Remember, practice is key. So keep refining your approach with each call. Every time you make a call, review what you've done. Maybe make some slight changes to it. Now, if you'd like to work with me as your teacher, go to my website, www.speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.